For the last few months, I've been earning a daily passive income using crypto automation. And in this video, I'm going to show you something most people never show. I'm about to do a live withdrawal of $2,000 in real time, so you can see exactly how this works. No screenshots, no promises, no hype, just real execution, real systems, and real result. If you've ever wondered whether passive income with crypto is actually possible, or if it's all just noise, stay with me, because I'll break down what's really happening behind the scenes.
Now, I joined this trading system on the 1st of October. We're now looking at the 6th of January, so that's just over 3 months since I started with this business. Now, this business has two ways that you can earn money. You can either just set up a trading robot, which I've done, and that earns me around 12.5% a month. And it's been doing that since I joined. It's been earning between 10 and 12% a month. And I get that daily. And I can withdraw out as often as I like. I normally draw out once a week. But you can also, if you're a team builder, you can build a team, which is what I like to do. Now, I woke up this morning to a $2,000 bonus, as you can see it there on the screen. And that $2,000 sitting in my back office here, I'm going to do a live withdrawal. So I'm going to click on withdraw. I'm going to select the coin that I'm going to withdraw. I'm going to withdraw Tether. And I'm going to pop my address in there, which is for my Trust wallet. And I'm going to do the Binance Smart Chain. Click continue. It's going to say how much do I want to withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw the 2,000, and there's a few fractions of a penny there. It's going to charge me a fee of $12.41, and I'm actually going to receive into my Trust wallet $1,978.99, just over. So I'm going to click on withdraw. Now it's asking me for my 2FA, which is on my phone. So let me just get that. Pop the number in there. Now that's pending. Now, normally that can be paid almost instantly. But it can take up to 72 hours. But, we're at the mercy of the blockchain and their system to approve it. And that's how easy it is to withdraw out of this business. And also, making money with this business is like a walk in the park. It really is. Now, if you want to find out more, below this video, there's a link. Click that link. It's going to take you over to this page. And I'm going to give you for free my crypto automation blueprint of how to make a passive income. So you'll find that link below this video. And if we look now, I've got that payment and I'm on the blockchain. Look, BSC scan, and the blockchain doesn't lie. You can see there that there's a payment transfer, $1,979. There's the hash and everything there. So this system really works. You can withdraw your money. So if you want to get access to my blueprint, click the link below, and I'm going to show you how to make a passive income using crypto automation. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.